How to fix a TikTok streak feature not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, search for TikTok. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, tap open it and then get logged into your TikTok account. Once you do so, tap onto your profile on your bottom right corner and see if this streak option is shown in your inbox. Also be noted, in order for the streak to be available or visible onto your inbox, you have to share a lot of videos and chat with your friends. If it's still not showing, here is what you can do. Tap on three bar icon, go on to settings and privacy. Here scroll below on to report a problem. Tap on account and profile, tap profile page. Here tap onto others and then tap on need more help. Then you will get directed onto TikTok help desk. You can type in that even though you are chatting a lot and sharing a lot of videos and TikTok with your friends, the streak feature or the streak is still not available in your TikTok account. Then just follow the instruction and that will help you fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.